when you move to other country, you leave your family, your culture, your friends. It's not easy, and immigrants they they move because different reasons. Sometimes because of love, or because they want to because job, to work, and other times because in their country they are not feeling safe.
So that for me, belongingness is a word that relates to being included.
Listening and pay attention. That we need to do to the immigrant who's coming from other country to Canada. We need to encouraging them to join with the social group in where they live right now.
We should listen to all the proverb. Walk a mile in someone else's shoes.
More trust, respect. That's make us to, with the trust we can lean each other.
Giving folks opportunities to feel as though they belong, and they have something to offer the community. Yeah. If you feel a part of a community, then you're going to want to participate and contribute to that community, and that builds overall healthiness of the community. I think also, letting people know that, they can contribute. They have the ability to contribute in many different ways.
Those activities, like I've been in Canada and like living on my own for like 2015 since I was like 18, and I've realized that activities really create the bond. Like you can try to be friends with somebody, but if you guys have like opposite things you do, it's gonna be really, really hard, especially planning to meet, planning to see each other. I'm all about activities. Like if I'm going to a gym and you never go to a gym, we'll barely ever see each other. You know what I mean? So I feel like having activities that kind of like people share and do together is kind of bring them together.
Realize it, but if your employees feel belonged, supported, and comfortable in this community, then they will stay, and then that will make less turnover for the establishments here. So maybe more people will then stay because they are happy living here.
I think the big thing would be promoting more healthy activities. One thing I would like to bring up, or I've noticed, is like we have a lack of like grocery stores and gyms. We have more bars and hotels than gyms. So like we promote more like the spend, do, then actually recuperate. Because as immigrants who are working here, you realize that the way the system is kind of set up, you're not meant to be here long term unless you kind of step out of it, right? Because they want you to go to work, they want you to go drinking every night, you know what I mean? Then living at staff and not worrying about you growing as a person, as an individual.
For example, if you see that your neighbor is from other country, go there, say hello, introduce yourself, and ask if they need something. Because most of us, we came here without family or friends, and at the beginning we are alone, and it's hard. After being here for 6 years, I know what are the challenges. So I know that a new immigrant it needs some help at the beginning.